Whenever we tell you without a calculator, okay, there's three things I think about. Number one, special angles. Now, there ain't no special angles with an 8 and a 17 in it. Not even close. So I can't go to special angles. The second thing that I think about when I'm saying without a calculator is trying to cancel things out. There ain't no cancelling out happening there. So what's the third thing I think about? Draw a triangle. That's a third thing that I think about. So what I'm thinking about in this case is draw a triangle that fits this and this. But again, miss, I've got an obsession about angles being the same. I can't work here with 2 theta, but work here with theta. I can't. So what must I do? I can't get rid of that 2, so I've got to try and get a 2 involved there. Because I need to get the angles the same. So I'm going to say, well, let's times this whole thing by 2. 2 theta, sorry, not equal to, and 180. This is so cool now. Because now I can say, okay, I'm looking at 2 quadrants. Either the first or the second, but cos 2 theta is negative here and there. So where do they overlap? There. So what must I do? I must go and draw my triangle in this quadrant. But now be careful at the way that you label it. Always go from the positive x-axis to my radial arm, and that will be your angle. And it falls down to the x-axis, always. It never falls to the y-axis. It's just how we roll. Okay? But now cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, so it's going to be negative 8 over 17, which means I can go and calculate my y value by using Pythagoras. Now, if I use Pythagoras, the y value is plus or minus 15. I'm just skipping a step or 2 here. But because it's on the positive side, it is 15. You guys are with me? Now, I on purpose did this, and I'm a really nasty teacher. You guys are coming to realize that. When I'm setting exams, my kids always ask, so is it you setting the exam? I'm like, yes, like, oh no. Because I try to confuse you because this is second quadrant. For those of you that didn't realize that, you realize it now. And this is also second quadrant. So what now? Well, I don't care. Sorry. I cannot, and be careful of this, just go and say, oh, because both are second quadrant, kind of, sort of, almost, I just use the triangle. Okay. Let me throw this red pen away. The problem is, guys, is this angle the same as that angle? No. One is 2 theta, one is 180 minus 2 theta. So again, I cannot use my triangle. So what do? Get it out of this quadrant. So its second quadrant, it gives me negative tan 2 theta. Now, I can use my triangle. Because now the angles are the same. So now I'm going to say this is negative opposite over adjacent. Which gives me 15, foot, okay, 15 over 8. And there's my answer. Ooh, wow. Okay. Ladies and gents, what do I want to teach you guys? Whenever we say without a calculator, you think of special angles, cancelling out, I hate that word, I just have to say it really grinds my gears, but divide away. Or thirdly, draw up a triangle. You are intrigued, you don't have other options except that.